Today's I am talking about Nvidia stocks. Here you can see these stocks make how much return today. This stock's price approximately $220, and in the last 5 days these stocks make approximately 13% return, which is good. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I am just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see these stocks how much return make in the last 1 month and how much return these stocks make in the last 6 months. If you see the year to date return, which is 18% return, and if you see the last 1 year's return, which is 22% return, which is not a bad, it's good. But if you compare the last 5 years return, which is 100, that means you can think 1000% return, which is very good return. But over the whole return, these stocks make how much, you can see the whole journey. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. And Nvidia is awesome stocks. And so always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdowns.